morning, our beloved professors from both Queen Savang Vadhana and King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospitals and all the graduating class. Welcome to post-training orientation course and farewell ceremony of class of 2025. My name is Penpilai Winitchaikun, a third-year resident of OBGYN department, and I'm your host for the day. On behalf of all staff of the Clinical Medication Department, we are honored to be part of the event today. We are thrilled to have you all here for this farewell ceremony. CU-MEDi class of 2025 is the very first batch of medical professionals to complete the postgraduate 4 years medical program in Thailand. It was a great honor for us to be part of your journey during your clerkship and externship year. Today we have a wonderful lineup of activities. For the first part of this morning's sessions are a speech given by our beloved professors, junior students, and the graduating class. Then proceed to pay respect to Her Majestic Queen Sri Sawarintira at the Royal Monument Courtyard. After paying your respect, there will be 3 special lectures tailor-made just for you. So for now, I encourage you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the last of memorable event. So first of all, please welcome the chairman of the event, อาจารย์ณัฐวุฒิ ศาสตรวาหา the Deputy Director of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital to the stage for an event report from อาจารย์ เตชิต ลีลาเศรษฐพร the Deputy Head of the Clinical Medication Department.
Greetings and welcome. Respected Dr. Nathuวุฒิ ศาสตรวาหา Deputy Director of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, esteemed faculty members from Chulalongkorn University and Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, nurse representatives, and our beloved CU-MEDi student of class of 2025. It is my greatest honor to stand here before you today. My name is Teshit Lilasetorn, and I currently serve as Assistant Chief of Department of Medical Education at Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital. I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to Dr. Nathuวุฒิ ศาสตรวาหาto kindly joining us as the chair of this ceremony of commencement for graduating class of 2025 of CU-MEDi International Medical Program. Today, we gather to celebrate the remarkable achievement of 35 graduates who have successfully completed their study and are now ready to embark on their next chapter of medical journey. These graduates will be continuing their internship training at esteemed institutions, including 10 students in Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, 7 students at Ban Prao Hospital, 2 students at Thammasat University Hospital, and 1 student as a research fellow at King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital. Additionally, I also believe that those who were not mentioned here are currently working toward their own chosen path with dedication and perseverance. This graduation ceremony serves not only as a celebration of their success, but also as a moment of reflection and guidance. As they step into the professional medical world, I truly hope that today's event will inspire them to apply their knowledge effectively, uphold their highest standard of ethical practice, and serve their patients with both competence and compassion. Without further delay, I am honored to invite Dr. Nathuวุฒิ ศาสตรวาหา Deputy Director of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, to deliver his speech and share his invaluable insight with our graduating class. Please, Dr. Nathuวุฒิ.
Good morning. The executive and the faculty from Chulalongkorn University and Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital. Dear graduating students, the CU-MEDi International Medical Program Class 2025. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in your life as you complete your medical education. On behalf of our faculty members and the hospital staff, I am honored and delighted to deliver this message on the special occasions. This moment marks not just the end of your academic journeys, but the beginning of a new chapter filled with boundless opportunities and responsibilities. As you stand on the thresholds of becoming medical professionals, you carry with you not only the knowledge and the skills you have acquired, but also the values and ethics that defines a good physician. The world of the medicine is ever evolving, and you will encounter the challenge and the triumphs that will shape your careers and your entity. Embrace this experience with an open heart and a curious mind. You are now equipped to make a difference, wherever it be in the communities you serve here in Thailand or in the distant lands where your expertise is needed. Remember that your role as a physician is not just to treat illness, but also to promote health, advocate for your patients, and contribute to the well-being of society as a whole. As you embark on your professional journeys, I encourage you to remain lifelong learners. The pursuit of knowledge does not end with your graduations. It is a continuous quest that will enhance your practice and enrich your life. Seek out opportunities for further education. Engage with your peers and stay abreast of advancement in the medical field. Moreover, cultivate compassion and empathy in your practice. The ability to connect with your patients, to listen to their stories, and to understand their needs is what will truly set you apart as a physician. Your dedication to the patient care will inspire others and contribute to the healing of those you serve. I urge you to carry the spirit of the Chulalongkorn University with you as you step into the world. Let your passion of medicine guide you, and may you always strive to uphold the high standard of integrity and professionalism. Finally, may the blessing of Her Majesty Queen Sri Savarintira, the Queen Grandmother, be upon you all. May you be grant happiness, prosperity, and good health, free from obstacles and difficulties. Congratulations of your remarkable achievement and best of luck in your further endeavors. The world waits your contribution. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajahn Natawut, for your encouraging speech. Your words will help the graduates to navigate in the future with confidence. Another important person from the program, please welcome Professor Nityasi Chāญณรงค์ the Director of CU-MEDi International Medical Program, July, to give the speech to the class of 20 and 25.
Thank you. Ajahn Natawut, the Deputy Director of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, Ajahn Ananong, Ajahn Teshit, nurses, and our dearest CU-MEDi students who will be graduating within the next couple of months. I'm so thrilled and happy to be here with you today, and actually seeing all of your familiar faces here going to graduate very soon is actually fills me with immense pride and joy. Actually, I'm talking here on behalf of the Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University, from all the faculties over there, from our CU-MEDi core team here, and our dedicated CU-MEDi staff, supporting staff, who are, some of them are here and some of them are back at Chula, and also on behalf of the Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital staff as well. So, seeing you growing from the very beginning, remembering the first day that you came to our program, it was just like yesterday, right? And actually, even before that, when you started applying for the program, when you came for the interview, so I've seen you growing so quickly and achieving this day. I think it's very, very wonderful thing that happened. You were in the process of transformation, actually, right? I mentioned this at the beginning, that you're in the process of transformation, transforming from aspiring persons to be doctors. And now you're here. The obvious thing that's going to happen is that your title is going to change within the next couple of months. You'll be changing from Mr. or Miss to doctors. Becoming นายแพทย์ or แพทย์หญิง is really prestigious, and also graduating from Chulalongkorn University Medical Faculty of Medicine is also, I think, very prestigious for all of you. And with that, I think it pays off because of your rigorous commitment and your rigorous process of transformation. Every challenge you faced, every sleepless night, and every patient you encounter has shaped you to become you today. And I believe you have been processing yourself, and now you are becoming the better version of yourself today when comparing to the first day that you came in. So I would like to probably just mention to you the three things, the three pillars that will help you guide to your success in your future profession. The first one mentioned earlier by Ajahn Nathavut is that being a lifelong learner, because medical education is not just stop after you graduate, right? Things change very rapidly. Medicine is like ever-changing, ever-evolving field. So things that you learn today may be not applicable for your patient care in the next 5 years or even 1 year from now. So you need to be curious at all time and then become a lifelong learner. The second one would be to wisely use the technology. Technology is advancing every day. As you can see, when you started the CU-MEDi program, we didn't even have the AI at that time. Remember, you were Zooming with us like during the COVID era, and now AI is everywhere. So you need to embrace technology with your patient care and leveraging with your care of patient. A third one is actually very important, which is the professionalism and human touch. As medicine or being a medical doctor is not just a job or a career, it is a profession. So you need to uphold your professional standards at all times, right? So ethics and having heart for patients, compassionate care should be with you at all times. So lastly, finally, I would like to again to remind you again that the success that you are achieving today is not just because of you alone, right? There are so many people, and actually it's built on the support from many. For example, the faculties at Chula and from here, Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, the nurses, interns, residents, your colleagues, your families, right? And most importantly, your patients who guided you through this process and taught you, I think, invaluable lessons in the past. And you should be proud of yourself going through this process rigorously within the past 4 years. So I'd like to say again, congratulations to all of you. I'm really so proud of you, and you all are pioneers, right? Not only you are the first class of CU-MEDi, class of 2025, but you actually set up a new standard for medical education in Thailand. I don't know if you realize that. right? Having the program of a 4-year program, Graduate Entry International, the first time in Thailand. So this is a new standard. So I think the healthcare is in your hands right now. So be a doctor that you aspire to be. And again, congratulations and thank you.
That was very inspiring. Thank you very much, Professor Nitasi. I'm certain that your wisdom will guide all the graduates for their future and to move forward into their next chapters of life. For the next session is a commemorative speech from our junior student. First, let us hear from the class of 2026, พี่โจ อิสเรศ โกศิวัฒนา
Thank you. Thank you, Pime. Good morning, our professor, our M4, our beloved M4, the class of 2025. I'm the representative of the class of 2026. I'm happy to be here today and also convey the congratulation messages to all of you here. Firstly, congratulations once again, on your completing your medical degree. This will be at least your second degree. If not, it might be your third or your fourth for someone. Looking back for the 4 year at Chulalongkorn and also Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, all effort and pain are worth it. You can count it from today here. 4 years is really short. All of us, we sure that all of us, especially M2 and M3, we all miss you. Especially when we think about activities that we spent together in past year. From now on, no more ward work with you, no more night shift with you, no more delicious food at late night with you again. But I beg you, take this moment to celebrate and take pride of this achievement, because you will be the very first class of graduate from CU-MEDi curriculum. Not only that, Ajahn Nitasi just mentioned, you are pioneer. You are the first batch to complete the 4-year program, postgraduate program in Thailand. To be the first require one to be tough. The first boat to sail always face the strongest headwind. You have braved many challenges in the past year. I think this is the starting journey as a doctor. There are many challenges ahead, but I'm sure all of you will be success in the future. You have paved the way for the following years to follow. Your feedback and engagement have shaped our CU-MEDi program. Your legacy will continue to live in the CU-MEDi culture. When we talk about typical pedigree, we may not relevant. However, when we talk about CU-MEDi pedigree, we are proud to have you as our ancestor, our big brother or sister in the same CU-MEDi family. Lastly, thank you for being our senior, our friend, our mentor. On behalf of the class of 2026, I wish you the best of luck in your future journey as a new medical doctor. Congratulations.
Thank you, Pijo, so much, which is your nephew, right? Because you're the ancestor. Okay. But I bet there will be more and many night shifts for you ahead. So don't worry about it. You'll be facing it for sure. So the next speech is from our clerkship. Please welcome Nong Sano Sakunrat Mat Panyashon, the representative of the class of 2027.
All right, good morning, Board of Directors, esteemed faculty, and dear M4. My name is Sakunratma Panyashon, and it is an absolute honor to stand here as a class representative for CU-MEDi class of 2027 to congratulate all of you on this well-deserved achievement. You have persevered through the rigors of and accelerated curriculums late night study sessions, and countless hours of lectures, and the many challenges that comes with medical school. Yet you have also set an inspiring example for us. Beyond academics, you have inspired us with your compassion and unwavering support for those following in your footsteps. Accomplishing all of this in just 4 years is truly remarkable, and you have my deepest respect. We, especially M2, want to thank you for your guidance and support, whether it was teaching us on the wards, answering our endless questions, and showing us how to survive each rotation. Your support has made all the difference. We are truly grateful for your patience, kindness, and mentorship. On behalf of all M2s, we wish you success, fulfillment, and endless opportunities in your medical careers. Congratulations, doctors. We couldn't be prouder of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nong Snow, for the speech of appreciation. Listening to such heartfelt words from both junior classes, this reflects the strong bonds between you guys. It's inspiring to see how each generation of students supports each other and uplifts one another, ensuring that spirit of mentorship and excellence continues to thrive. After hearing all the words of wisdom from Ajahn and from the junior class, now it's time for our graduating fellow to say gratitude speech. First from the class president, Nong Bell Sarita Rod Asawasatian. Welcome.
Good morning, professors, friends, and the CU-MEDi staff of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital and King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital. My name is Sarita Rod Asawasatian. It is an honor to stand before you all today as the class president for the academic year and represent the class of 2025 in delivering this speech at our ceremony. The past 4 years have flown by in a blink of an eye. As a class, we have shared unforgettable memories, some filled with tears, others with laughter, some marked by success, others by failure, but through determination. Today's ceremony marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey, one that is filled with dedication, passion, and above all, a shared commitment to serve the community. As the inaugural class of CU-MEDi, we stand at the cusp of something truly remarkable, and we are filled with immense gratitude for the privilege of being here today. First and foremost, we owe your innovation and compassion has made this moment possible. Thank you for creating an environment that not only fosters academic excellence, but also instills a profound sense of humanity. Your dedication to shaping the future of healthcare and nurturing the next generation of doctors is truly inspiring. We are deeply grateful for the time, effort, and care you have invested in helping us grow, not just as a skilled physicians, but also as compassionate healers. To my fellow classmates, this is a moment for us to cherish. We are united by a shared calling. Each of us brings unique strengths, experiences, and perspective to the table. And together we'll make a difference. We are a community bound. Change is exciting, but it can also be terrifying. Yet, change is inevitable. It is growth. And our desire to make a positive impact on the world. Today, we stand not only as students of medicine, but as future advocates for health, hope, and healing. Together, and with thank you.
Thank you so much, Nong Bell, for your speech and for beautifully encapsulating your chair experience. Next, we have Warin Ted Kampi to give the grateful speech.
So, good morning, professors, esteemed professors, bewildered friends, and there were patients, CU-MEDi staffs to offer a brief. To our staff from Queen Savang Vadhana and also from King John Memorial Hospital as well. I'm here to offer a brief intermission from the emotional roller coaster that Ms. Sarita just masterfully conducted for us. Let's be honest, 4 years ago, we were just simply innocent little kids. Some of us thought anatomical position was just a yoga pose. Some of us thought biochemistry was just a fancy way of saying potion making. But who can forget the collective panic when we saw our first cadaver? It was like a horror movie, but it was educational. We've survived the late night sessions fueled by questionable snacks and even more questionable caffeine concoctions. We've mastered the art of looking like we know what's going on, but when we are actually internally screaming, what's tyrosine kinase inhibitor again? We've seen each other at our best. We've seen each other at our absolute worst. We've witnessed transformation from wide-eyed newbies to slightly less wide-eyed, but still occasionally confused future doctors. But through all the chaos, the laughter, and the occasional existential crisis, we've built something special. We've built a bond that is stronger than any textbook. So as we embark on this next chapter, let's remember to laugh, to learn, and never to take ourselves too seriously. After all, we are going to be dealing with some pretty serious stuff, and a bit of humor can go a long way in healing. So let's give ourselves a round of applause for surviving the past 4 years, and let's face the future with smile, stethoscope, and maybe a bit of caffeine.
So thank you, Varin, so much for the heartfelt speech. Also, thank you that you accompanied me to the video shooting. It was my first experience with you. It was a true honor to be part of your journey. I mean, everyone. So let's take a moment again to applaud every graduate here today. So I think this is a little quicker for the schedule, but the next would be the wrist tying ceremony, or พิธีผูกข้อไม้ข้อมือ and giving the souvenir to the graduating class of 20 and 25. Traditionally, it's called พิธีบายสีสู่ขวัญ which is a ritual used to celebrate and give blessings to the graduates. So the following doctors, which are the Deputy Director of Queen Savang Vadhana Memorial Hospital, and อาจารย์ออนงค์นุ่มเจริญ the Head of Clinical Medical Education Department, and Professor Nitasi Chanarong, the Director of CU-MEDi International Medical Program, Chulalongkorn University, Assistant Professor Seri Iem Pong Sai, อาจารย์ชนิดาสิริประภารัตน์ อาจารย์ธนนันท์จงสมบูรณ์สุข and คุณพรเพ็ญเมธาจิตติพันธ์ the head of the nurses department, to the stage. So in the meantime, before everything's completely ready, I'd like to introduce the first 7 students. Please line up and come to the stage. So the next 7 students, please line up and come up to the stage.